everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about Midjourney, a new AI-powered generative art platform. Midjourney is a powerful tool that can be used to create realistic and imaginative images, illustrations, and even 3D models. In this video, I'll be covering all the basics of Midjourney, including: what is Midjourney? How does it work? What are the benefits of using Midjourney? How can you get started with Midjourney? So let's start. What is Midjourney? Midjourney is a cloud-based AI platform that uses a large language model to generate images. The language model is trained on a massive dataset of text and images, which allows it to understand and respond to a wide range of prompts. For example, you could ask Midjourney to generate an image of a dragon riding a unicorn or a city in the clouds. How does it work? When you create an image with Midjourney, you start by providing a prompt. The prompt can be anything you want, from a simple description to a more complex story. Midjourney then uses its language model to generate a number of possible images. You can then choose the image you like best and refine it further by providing additional feedback. What are the benefits of using Midjourney? Midjourney is a powerful tool that can be used to create stunning and imaginative images. It's also very easy to use, even if you don't have any experience with AI. Midjourney is also very versatile. You can use it to create a wide variety of images, from realistic portraits to abstract landscapes. How can you get started with Midjourney? To get started with Midjourney, you need to sign up for a free account. Once you have an account, you can start creating images by providing a prompt. Midjourney will then generate a number of possible images for you to choose from. You can then refine your images by providing additional feedback. Conclusion: Midjourney is a powerful and versatile AI-powered generative art platform. It's easy to use and can be used to create a wide variety of images. If you're interested in creating generative art, Midjourney is a great place to start. Subscribe our channel for more videos on artificial intelligence and technology.